How to use the shoulder neck kit. Included in this kit is 2 large flex wraps, 1 wrap link, and 1 pressure pad. Treatment option for the neck is taking the large flex wrap and wrapping it around your waist, taking your single treatment pad and applying the pressure pad on the back. You'll then take your other large flex wrap, secure it on the back. Be sure to remove your clear plastic covers and stick to the back of your neck. You'll then use the wrap connector to place on the center and attach. You'll then take your treatment pad and plug it in and begin your treatment. Another treatment option is using the dual treatment pad. You will still use a large flex wrap around your waist. You'll take one of the dual treatment pads, place the pressure pad on the back, and attach your large flex wrap to the back. You will then take that dual treatment pad, stick to your neck. Using your wrap link, you will secure the large flex wrap. You will then need to lean back onto something to secure the second pad. Treatment option for your shoulder is taking the large flex wrap and wrapping it around your waist, taking the other large flex wrap, using the Velcro to secure, twist to the back, and then take the large flex wrap and throw it over your shoulder. You'll then take your single treatment pad, remember to remove your clear plastic covers and plug it in, and place on your shoulder to secure with the large flex wrap. You'll then take your wrap link, place in the middle to secure the treatment pad. The treatment option for your shoulder is taking the large flex wrap around your waist, take the other large flex wrap and secure it to the middle, then twist to the back and throw it over your shoulder. You can then take your wrap connector, place in the middle, secure your wrap link, then take your dual treatment pad and secure on the back of your shoulder and the other dual treatment pad on the front of your shoulder, tucking it into the other large flex wrap. Don't forget to remove your clear plastic covers and plug in to start your treatment. Thanks for watching on how to use the shoulder neck kit. Give us a call if you have any questions.